guys, I am here with Tim Newton with Newton Dirt Service. If you live anywhere in the East Texas area, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, this is the guy to go to, and he's very dependable too. Alright, so I am done with this part of the driveway. The water here, if you can see it on the other side there, it just sits there. I really got no way to get it out of here. Even if I put a culvert across there, it would still sit in this area. This area is very low. So what I did is put rocks, big rocks. These are at least, I don't know, 2 to 4 inch rocks underneath to give it a good base. And then put some road base on top, which is limestone. So yeah, it come out pretty nice, and this should last me a couple more years. Maybe longer, because I got that heavy rock underneath. So this part's done here, and this area here is near the front of my property here, and this was bad too. In fact, this was probably worse because it was just mud, and my truck kept sinking and sinking. There was trenches here and here so deep that it was getting really close to my axles on my truck, and I got a 3500 Dodge Ram, so it was very deep trenches, and then I couldn't even get out of here with my with a regular car. So, and in the process here, I decided to go around the tree, so I got both ways to come in and out. Alright, so this portion and that front portion is done. Hopefully this will last more than 3 years, hopefully 5 or plus years. I just did my driveway 3 years ago. I'll put a link to that video up here. But you know, after a few years, after all the rain and the cars driving up and down, and the trucks and stuff, all that gravel gets pushed in to the dirt and the mud, especially after it rains. So every month or two you have to box blade it and fluff it up, and that helps. But even then, after, you know, after, what was it, late last year I think it was, I started doing it, and it was pulling up dirt and mud and rocks, and it was just a mess, and it gets to the point where you're gonna have to put another layer on. So sometime in the near future I will do that when the funds are available. So for now, this was a somewhat expensive fix, and it should last, because I put that big rock, you know, it's got to be, you know, the size of your fist to like 4 or 5 inch rock, and that's a good base for this. Then this road base, which is a limestone on top, it packs down really good, you know, once it's dry. So yeah, I'm happy. Alright guys, so I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and when you do subscribe, and share too, but when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell. That will alert you to another video that I put out. And I guess that's it, guys. Alright, so again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.